Hi, my name is Les Woodring with Fuel Fix. This here is a filtration system that we use to remove contaminants from diesel fuel, gasoline engines, whatever. And the best part about this is, once we clean it, we can put this right back into your tank and it's clean. You get to salvage your fuel. Just because you have water in your fuel does not mean that you have to get rid of it. When we show up to your place, we'll drop this down into your tank, right? And what it does is, upon contact with the bottom, it puts a little plunger up and it'll suck up water or contaminants, whatever. Then we put it in a jar and then it'll dispose of it, and we'll be able to see before and afterwards. Then what we'll do is we put this inside the tank, and then this here's the suction part, and then this here's a return fuel. So as we're cleaning out the fuel, as we're cleaning it, this gets dropped down into here, and as we're cleaning it, it goes right back into the tank. It's getting pumped right back into there, clean fuel, okay? So you don't have to waste it. We all know how much fuel costs nowadays.